You searched how to buy shares of Journey Medical Corp, a specialty dermatology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker DERM. This video is for educational purposes only and does not provide financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you'll need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and type DERM to locate Journey Medical Corp. Then select the correct NASDAQ listing. Make sure the company name and ticker match before proceeding. On the stock page, review the company profile and the price chart to understand recent activity. Confirm the NASDAQ DERM listing is the Journey Medical Corp share you want. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you wish to buy, review the details, and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may queue until trading resumes, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After the trade executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform.